Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 5G, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you, let's say, don't know. So I'll quickly lock the device, and you can see I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from here as though I don't know my pattern. So get started by holding the power key, selecting power off, and once the phone turns off you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So now that it's off, power, volume up, and you're going to hold both of those keys till you see the TCL logo, at which point you want to let go of only the power key, but keep holding volume up, and this will take you to the recovery mode. So obviously from here you'll use volume keys to navigate. As you can see, volume up goes up and down goes down, and you want to use those keys to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power key, then select factory data reset, press power key once more, and there we go. At the bottom you should see data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power key once again to initiate the reboot, which will now continue the process in the background, and once it's complete you'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. I'll be back once we can actually see the setup screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.